Hi beautiful people, so I just finished digging holes for what's that name? Foundation for the house. There's the stone, those are the stones, and this is sand and cements that already mixed. So I just have to put the water in, let it.
Hi beautiful people, it's me again. Now I'm on my way to the same waterfall to relax, and after 3 or 4 months I haven't got any chance to relax. Actually I can relax at home, but I mean more like quiet place like nature and water and waterfalls. So I think to try to take a day off, that's all. So you can hear the waterfall, also the river, and also the tomcats. That when it start, you if you can hear the tomcat, it's mean the beginning of dry season in Indonesia, especially my area. So it's dry season and the waterfall is so small. Also this tree now is for, you normally you can see the sky from this, but now we can't. But it's nice view from here. Ah. Let's start. The water still fresh as before, and now we're gonna be in the water. Ooh, it's like in how's that, bottom? But it's a big bottom. Ooh, I enjoyed so much. I wish that this close to where I live, so that I don't have to drive an hour to get here. But it's really worth it though. Oh, so I should say thank you for those who hit like button, watch my video, and then commenting. It really means a lot to me. Even only just few of you, but I appreciate that, because when I make the video, actually I just want to make memories for myself, so that one day when I get old, I can't go anywhere, I can just rewatch what I did in the past and enjoying everything that I did. So thank you so much for watching, and so hi again, beautiful people. I'm on my way home. After about an hour or more than an hour, I've been here in the waterfall playing in the water. So now it's time for me to go back to where my world is, my real world. And yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.